This video will go over the formerly used Defense Sites Portal Enterprise Chemistry System, also known as EChem. The EChem database is a module of the FUDS portal and is separate from FUDSchem. Data is processed and reviewed in FUDSchem, which is accessible to contractors and laboratories. The EChem system is internal to the USACE. It is the database of record for FUDSchem data. EChem keeps data secure behind the USACE firewall. It also supports decision-making and program-level inquiries, and provides a means to track compliance with the FUDSchem mandate. EChem can be accessed via a link in the FUDS portal menu after logging in. An EChem Quick Start Guide is available on this page. Please refer to it for greater detail on the topics covered in this video. We will briefly go over the different tabs available upon logging in, paying special attention to the Drop Site tab. The Project tab allows you to choose a project and review its data. Note that you are able to use various filters to locate your project. This includes general information, location data, and phase information. As a note, setting up a new project in FUDSchem requires the requester to provide the property and project number, as well as the phase. The Project tab is one place where this information can be referenced. The Universe tab shows the same kinds of data as the Project tab, but in a different format. It keeps track of projects that are required to load data in the current fiscal year. This is based on the funded phases in the FUDS-MIS official annual work plan. The Universe tab allows you to assign each phase to a list. This is a way of categorizing what is required for the project and phase. Data can be exported to Excel for an easy way to see which projects should be included in FUDSchem for your whole district. More information is available in the EChem Quick Start Guide. The Reports tab allows you to choose from a variety of reports. This includes reports that detail users, activity, phases, data available, progress of phase completion, emerging contaminants, and more. The Work Plan Tracking Report is pictured here. These reports can be exported to Excel. Note that FUDSchem pulls in the PM assigned to each project to use in various tracking reports, and it is important that the correct PM be assigned. If the incorrect PM is shown on this report, please update the PM assignment in FUDS-MIS. The assignment will cascade through to EChem, and the administrator will pass it on to FUDSchem via a manual sync. Choosing the Drop Site tab shows the main functionality related to FUDSchem, so it will be our main focus. This tab has a number of options to choose from. Pictured here is the Locations tab, which shows locations that have been transferred from FUDSchem to EChem. These locations are linked to chemistry data. Locations are transferred by the Synectics and EChem administrators. Choosing the Site tab opens a pop-up with instructions on how to create a drop folder on your computer. The drop folder will accept files from FUDSchem and import them into EChem. Once all of the data in an event is finalized and approved in FUDSchem, a Data Usability Assessment, DUA, will take place. The last step of the data usability in FUDSchem allows the USACE chemist to mark an event approved. For more information, please refer to our Data Usability Assessment video, linked in the description. Upon event approval in the DUA tool, an EChed file will be automatically generated, which you can save to your Drop Site folder. EChed files are submitted to EChem via the Upload folder. The files must be zipped. Each night, EChem will import the files located in this folder. In the event that a file cannot be processed, it will be set to the Errors folder. Most users will only need to interact with these two folders. Users with special permissions may use additional folders to upload other types of data or remove data from EChem. The ESET Errors subtab will also give details on any errors encountered. Successful ESET uploads will disappear from your drop site folder. They will be found on the ESET Uploads subtab. Note that when an event is transferred to EChem, more than just the chemistry data is included. Data transferred includes the SED file, ESED, as well as a validation sidecar, valsed, with the validation qualifiers. Location information for the sampling locations is considered to be a valid value, and locations are provided to EChem by Synectics on a regular basis. Finally, a copy of the electronic QAP, EQAP, is included as well. Data for all of these data types must meet completeness requirements and be free of placeholders to be imported into EChem. For more information on the ESED file, please refer to our Anatomy of an ESED video, linked in the description. The Administration tab allows specific users to add EChem-related privileges and access to user accounts. Most users will not have access to this tab. Remember, the EChem Quick Start Guide goes into more detail on each of these tabs. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments on FUDSChem, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. For questions on EChem, please contact FUDS Portal Help Desk at usace.army.mil. Thank you.